Hello everybody, my loyal subscribers and friends and family. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Patricia and welcome back to Yah-tah lifestyle. In today's video we're gonna do a almond crackers. I'm gonna use today I'm gonna do almond flaxseed crackers. So I may do two different types, one with flaxseed and one without flaxseed. So let's get right into the video. So this is a half cup, so I'm going to use 2 of this. So we need 1 cup of almond flour, level. So it's two half cups. 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. I'm using the whole flaxseed. You can use ground flaxseed if you wish to, but I wanted to use the whole one. So 1 tablespoon of whole flaxseed. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. I'm not going to measure it, just a little tops here because it's strong. 1 teaspoon of, I use olive oil, whichever olive oil you choose to use. 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and the recipe and the ingredients will be in the description as well if you miss it. And 2 tablespoons of cold water. You can use ice water or you can just use regular cold water, not room temperature but more on the colder side. Alright, then mix together, make sure it's all combined together. The seeds and everything is really well combined. I'm going to show you what it looks like. After mixing, it should look something like this. If you can, as you can see, it should look something like this. So we have a consistency here. So as you notice, it come together. So what you can do, switch to your hand and like press it. Let it come together. You don't need to like knead into it. Just press it together so everything is combined in one. You just want it to come together. And you will see the oil coming together, but don't worry about it because it's all good stuff. It's from the oil from the almond and also the oil that you just pour in, so it's all the good stuff. And next option is I like to roll it in two pieces of so this is the next section where you get the parchment paper. We're gonna roll it. We're gonna roll the dough together. So I like to use 2 pieces of paper, so that way it doesn't get sticky to the thing, to the rolling thing. So let's get into it. We're gonna roll it like so we want to get it to like an eighth of an inch, and you're gonna roll it from center to out, center and out. Oops. And if it, see, I'm doing it and it's crumpling all because of the paper is not giving me justice to keep rolling up. You don't want it to be crimpled up, crimpled. So you have to like be careful. Make sure it's rolling smooth and clear properly. Personally, I don't. If you have a ruler, you can use a ruler, but I'm gonna use this. Just to get this a straight edge. I'm using a skewer thing. I'm using this just to get a straight edge. So I cut them like this. As you can see, it's not too thick and it's not too thin. So what you can do after taking out cut and take out whatever you're taking out, you can put this back together, get it back together and re-roll. Get it back. 10 minutes on each sides, or until brown, as how brown you wanted it. And you can continue to do this until you get, just to get them in the square, in the size square that you wanted them to be. And I guess the kids is gonna love them because they're really tasty. We're gonna do a taste test anyway. If you have kids, I know they're gonna love it. You don't want to waste any of it because the almond flour is very expensive. You don't want to waste anything. There we go. Ready to get into the oven. If you have a ruler or some straight edge, you can use. You don't have to use this. I use this because I didn't have the patience to go to where the ruler is. So you can use anything, any straight edge to cut it. It doesn't have to use a stick like this. Okay. Our cookies are ready to be eaten. Just take a look, guys. Look, just take a look. So it's not a lot. So this is the one with the chia seed, and this is just the one with just the flax seed. So now we're going to do a taste test. So let's get into the taste test. So this is, as you can see, I like everything I eat brown. My children always said I eat burnt food, but it's not burnt food. I love the crunch. I love things that crunchy. So this is the one with just the flax seed. So let's get into the taste test. Did you hear that? Did you hear that cracking? And if you try this, you couldn't have anything more in snacks. It tastes great. They look great. And it's healthy. It's gluten free. And it's packed with vitamin and protein. The flax seed, the chia seed, the olive oil, that's the only fat that is in it, and the almond flour. Great. Try it and you leave a comment in the box below. Let me know if you tried it and if you like it. Let me know, guys. But don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend if you're trying to live a healthy life. And away with those junk food that you drive through those drive-through junk food that you normally pick up. Try it and let me know, guys. Have yourself a wonderful and blessed day.